Hey, what's going on, guys? This actually my first video doing, on this channel, relating to crypto and stocks, mutual funds, anything investment related, for the public. Uh, I want to do this first video because this is something that's like I'm currently like, you know, deciding what's the next move. Basically, I had Bitcoin. I've been having Bitcoin for a very long time, and my Bitcoin, as y'all know, who owns Bitcoin, is not performing well. It has dropped down at an all-time low since I invested in Bitcoin. I was very late on Bitcoin. Like I'm talking about very late, maybe like 2021 ish. So I'm very late, and because of how low Bitcoin is doing, I'm taking the hit the most. Like people who are very, very late to Bitcoin are getting hit the most. And I wanted to do this video for people who are in the same position as me, as if y'all thinking about the same thing, or if y'all already did it. Is it best for us to sell our Bitcoin? Only, and I'm only talking about the ones that's like late Bitcoin, investors. Because I don't see the people who been very, very early on Bitcoin to like leave. You know, it's kind of hard for that, because you know, but who knows? But I think, in my opinion, I hit a number that I really had to suggest selling my Bitcoin. Now that doesn't mean I'm giving up on crypto, but I'm very like majority of my money is in stocks, and I just feel you know um I got more trust in the stock market than the crypto market. And it's very why I'm stuck in a rock and a hard place. I don't know if I said that saying right. Forgive me if I did. It's been a while since I used that. But yeah, it's bad. I didn't I never thought that crypto performance would get this bad. Like to the point that I'm scared for it to go. I might get negative. Like soon, like sooner or later. I'm no longer in the 5 digits. I'm now in the 4 digits. Like last year, I was in the 10 digits. I mean, last year I was in the 5 digits. Now I'm in the 4 digits. So you can imagine how I feel right now. I took a very hard. I took a very hard hit when it comes to Bitcoin. As somebody, listen, I am a beginner. I don't know a lot about the crypto market. I only know a very, very little about the stock market. That's why I'm kind of leaning towards the stock market. But like when it comes to crypto, it's that's another reason why I may need to like sell my Bitcoin, because I only did a little research when it comes to crypto, and I just don't want to continue taking these type of hits. Cause even when it went down to like it's starting. it got, I seen a switch change maybe like September. Probably I know it was sooner than that, but September is when I should have been did a video about this, because I saw like, man, like if I would have did this video in September, I would have saved me a lot of money, because maybe whoever comments, or who, if y'all advise me to see, like, and that's what I'm saying, like, if anybody can uh know somebody in YouTube or on social media that has all these answers that I'm looking for, you can comment and let me know, because this is not a video that's going to tell you what you need to do. This is somebody who's just like y'all, who's trying to figure out the market. And maybe for somebody who's um, a very late Bitcoin investor and taking the most hit, is it time for me to like sell it for now and just and like I said, and the plan once I sell it is to transfer it to like one of the stocks, or probably own like silver, do the stock market, like own silver. So that is my goal if I decide to sell it. So that's it. I will be doing more videos on this. Y'all can comment, y'all can let me know what y'all think. But like I said, before I make this move, I just wanted to share it with y'all to see what y'all think. I'm all for any output, any opinions, any like suggestions for me to move forward, because I don't know a lot. And hopefully once I start doing more videos and start, maybe I can have the answers that I'm looking for, and don't mind sharing it with y'all. So yeah, that's basically it. Y'all take care. Y'all be safe out here, and I will catch y'all tomorrow, or a couple times this week I will be doing more videos. So y'all take care.